arrive at cars, again, stalling out and being stuck on the ice. They literally have no traction. You can see people
Come on, Bella.
are sliding as they are trying to get to these cars and move out of the way. We see
Oh, Glenn made a nice little path. That's nice. All right, we got more and more snow. What do you think, Bella? Just looking at a bird. What are you, a bird dog? Winter Wonderland. Well, I don't think Glenn's going to be going to look at property today. Damn, we got like 6 inches. It's that fluffy snow. Damn, look at all the cedar trees. Well, I wanted snow and I got it. Damn, look at the icicles. Damn, look at that big icicle off the... Damn. Tripping over stuff. What do you think, Goober? All right, we got like 6 inches on top of 3 inches on top of an inch of ice.
It's 4 or 5 inches just on my solar panels.
I don't think we're going anywhere. This whole freaking town is probably locked down.
The whole town's shut down. I've been listening to the radio. There's nothing open. Sheriff's department can't get out. It's over.
Well, we got a bunch of food, bunch of beer. We're good. Heat. I think I got enough propane for a week, at least.
Yeah, I'm concerned about my propane, but that no heater's been keeping the propane use down to nothing. This is just unbelievable.
Yeah.
Go.
Oh, yeah, it's pretty.